Good morning, Snap family. As you can see right here, here's the rainbow. Jalila, we should go look for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You down? What? Yeah. All right, let's go. What'd you say, Kareem?
It's been raining since last night.
It's been raining?
Yeah.
I didn't even hear it last night.
I swear it rained last night. You know, it rained like 10 minutes ago.
It was so peaceful last night, though.
Look how many boats are out there.
Oh, I see. Look at the boats. All right, guys, we're having breakfast this morning. We're waiting on the rest of the crew. And Jalila has a better view than me. Actually, I have the best view. This is her view. And this is my view. He's going to wake up any second because he keeps moving. Maybe I'm too loud. I don't know. Oh, wow. Somebody is getting married here. Right, Kareem?
It's like $100,000.
It's $100K to get married here? I'm sure it's that much.
I mean, they only invited 10 people.
Well, it can't be that much. What are they charging? 10,000 a plate?
Yeah, but you also have to pay for the rooms and the flight gear.
That's true.
You are amazing.
All right, so we just got to the beach.
That's the cheap bench over there.
We just got to the beach, huh?
That's crazy.
You just got to the beach. Everybody
To the beach.
shark. I went to Honolulu.
Phoebe,
I swam to Honolulu and came back. Still haven't came back.
how's the snorkeling? Seriously, it's
Actually
nice.
refreshing. I would go
It
do
was
it.
good, but like I couldn't. I got a little scared because no one was with me. I was by myself.
When she went, she was by
Hey,
herself.
You got 30 minutes. You want to go see something?
Yeah.
Go. The hardest part is the breathing
Big
part.
thing out there. Only got 30 minutes.
It's the
Okay.
breathing that you have to get down.
The babies are matching stripes. So cute. Idris. He can't breathe when the fan's in his face.
Hi. Say hi, my bestie. Hi, my bestie. They look kind of similar. Like I think it's something about them that's adding the eyes. Something. I don't know what it is. It's like a them, you know? You can tell. Like
Yeah.
Shiver. They look like cousins for sure.
Look at that view, though.
Right?
Jalila getting in the pool.
Hey!
What?
It's cold.
It's not cold. Well, it's not. Hi, Baba. L-M-N-A-P. Q-R-S-T-U. Oh, the waterfall. Let's take him to the waterfall.
Danny.
Oh, that key's a dunzo. Let's go to the waterfall, Babas. Woo. You like the waterfall, Baba? Not too close. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. This is so cool. This is what life's about, guys. This is what life is about. Jalila literally thought she thought she was drowning. It's only 3 feet, Jalila. 3.5 feet. You're 5, Jalila. You're good. You made the cut. Oh, let's take him to this waterfall. It's like the lazy river. Come on, boy. He's getting splashed. I'm getting a massage right now, guys. This is awesome. So refreshing. More waterfalls. Baba, you have to go into the waterfall. You have to go into the ring of fire. You ready? He's getting scared. No, he's like, no, I'm good. He'll start crying.
Guys, I need you guys to blow up Sammy and tell him to extend the ticket. I don't want to leave. You guys.
These memories will stay with me.
Let me take him.
He's enjoying his time with Mama. Look at his smile. I missed it. Oh my God. Look at his smile. This is the man, the myth, the legend, bringing me some shaved ice. I appreciate you. This is... Alright guys, so we're having lunch poolside. Oh, so fancy. Oh, it's so good. I had those yesterday, they were really good. Was that yesterday or the day before? I think it was the day before. And the steak tacos. Ooh. Then what's in that, Jalila? Fries, obviously, for Jalila. She's gonna eat all those fries. I'm not touching her fries. Look how cute the wedding setup is, Jalila.
Huh?
Look how cute the wedding setup is.
I wish we did a destination wedding.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
Only have 10 people. That would be perfect.
That would have been nice. So me, Idris, and Jalila are gonna watch the sunset from the beach. And the wedding is still going on.
Look at the wedding.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Alright guys, so Idris right now is looking at the lovely tree above us. It's like a sensory for him, so he loves it. Right, Baba? Alright. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow. The sun is setting. Beautiful. Jalila, look.